Ever brewed espresso that tasted off despite using fresh beans? Frustrating, right? I struggled with oily buildup, ruining my espresso machine and killing the coffee flavor I love. It was disheartening to invest in premium beans, only to be disappointed by the taste. Then I discovered CleanEspresso's cleaning kit while scrolling for solutions online. The feature that hooked me instantly, double-strength 2G cleaning tablets. Total game changer. These powerful tablets effortlessly removed grime and old coffee residue, restoring my machine to peak performance in just a few cycles. Plus, the kit includes 6 water filters for even better coffee taste and to protect the internal parts from mineral buildup. It's designed specifically for Breville machines. Perfect fit for my Barista Express, Barista Pro, and others. No guessing, no wrong sizes. Cleaning is now absolutely hassle-free. Just pop in a tablet, start the cycle, and you're good to go. Every cup tastes like a cafe masterpiece. Smooth, rich, and flavorful. No more bitterness, no more machine hiccups, no more worrying about costly repairs or worn-out machines. CleanEspresso prolongs your espresso maker's lifespan effortlessly. Imagine consistently great espresso every morning without stress. Why settle for subpar coffee when CleanEspresso can elevate your brew game? Ready to taste the difference? Grab CleanEspresso today and thank me later.